welcome back to my channel, JoSum Vlogs. I am Jo and today is the 29th day of the 40 days challenge. About the school, I am from St. Anne's High School, ICSE Secunderabad, and it holds a very special place in my heart. As an alumna of this esteemed institution, I look back with deep gratitude at the years I spent within its nurturing environment. It was here that the foundation of my character, discipline, and lifelong love for learning was laid. So St. Anne's has been recognized for its academic excellence and structured ICSE curriculum. The most important reason why I admire and respect my school is because St. Anne's was deeply rooted in instilling values such as integrity, humility, and service. Morning assemblies and community outreach programs reminded us of our responsibilities as individuals and as citizens. The discipline was practiced from dress code to punctuality. I remember the number of times I was called aside after the assembly for not pulling up my socks, or even a simple thing like a stain on my belt. And because of all this, my school has definitely helped me in shaping my professional and my personal life even today. And it was where I discovered my passion for sports and shapes the discipline that defines me today. As a proud alumna and former sports champ of my school, I carry forward not just the medals and trophies, but a legacy of hard work, teamwork, and determination. Being a sports champion is not just about winning, guys. It was about leadership, perseverance, and rising after every fall. And the values I imbibed on the field, like teamwork, respect, and integrity. The lessons I learned on and off the field will continue to guide me wherever I go. That's for sure. I know all the Annites will know these two names by heart because the sports day at our school was a spectacle, and that would never have been possible without Miss Celine and Miss DeMello. So a big shout out to Miss Celine and Miss DeMello for all the wonderful experience we had during our sports day every single year. These two have transformed our life totally. I am dedicating today's vlog or video to all my fellow Annites, and a big shout out to you guys because I miss the school and I'm quite nostalgic, and I can't not remember my fellow Annites who made my experience absolutely wonderful at school. Every day in between the classes when we had a break, I would run down with my friends to the cafeteria, to the small cafeteria that we had, and quickly stand in the line and try to make sure we beat everyone in the line to get our famous cupcakes. And the aroma of the cupcakes spread so far and wide. It was delicious. Yeah, those are some cute, sweet memories I have from school. There you go, guys. In memory of those cupcakes, I made my version of a little healthier version of the cupcakes with ragi. We'll take 2 cups of ragi flour, a teaspoon of baking powder, to this I'll add half a cup of almond milk, few drops of vanilla essence, and now blend these with a hand blender like this. I fill the tops with the cupcakes batter. Now this will go into the oven at 350 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes. So our cupcakes are inside the oven. My today's 2 cents, one more wonderful quote from Mr. Kalam. It is very easy to defeat someone, but it is very difficult to win someone. Until I see you guys in my next vlog, bye-bye.